out on my local trail, and I'm on the MTEN4. I suppose little mini review of this. I've not done a review of this. I've done almost 300 miles on this, and oh, what difference of kind of getting used to the wheel makes compared to my initial like, oh, I don't like it sort of impressions of the wheel. But yeah, this wheel is an absolute beast, and I still don't know whether I don't think I'm going to not get rid of this now. I think I've got a Nosfet Aero coming, which is meant to replace this, but I don't think it will. It's just too much damn fun. This wheel for a little, I think it's an 84 volt wheel, has just got so much torque. I've had this for about, I want to say about 6 or 7 months now, and yeah, it's just an incredible little wheel. I don't think the Nosfet Aero is going to replace this. I'll wait until I get it. That's a 10-inch wheel. I think this is small. This is definitely smaller. And I've got a one wheel Pint S, and it's only until you get back on this little MTEN4 that you realise, whilst from a one wheel Pint point of view, the one wheel Pint S is brilliant. You know, and it's a significantly mark up from the original Pint. Don't know about the Pint X. I'm going to imagine, because a lot of it's the same, I doubt if there's much difference there, and obviously the firmware and stuff that they do helps a lot from one wheel. But then as soon as you get on this, you just realise what a little rocket this thing is, and in comparison to the one wheel Pint S, I mean, this is, I think these up for about £700 new, so second hand they're probably worth about 400 or 500 quid. These do about 20 mile range and can do up to 24 miles an hour. 20 is probably a safer option. So, you know, what you get for your bang for your buck on this, use those words carefully around Bago, bang for your buck, is phenomenal. So yeah, we'll see if the Nosfet Aero ticks the same boxes. If it does, then this will probably end up going, but it's a different beast, I think. Like, you know, always wary of a slat missing in a wooden bridge. But the Nosfet Aero has got more space, like for your legs, whereas this is all kind of foot and ankle driven. It's so nimble. It's sandy up this bit. I'm going to go head to another little foresty bit. These on the little foresty bits are very cool, so I'm going to go to that bit and have a walk around. It's after work, so nice evening rip on the MTEN4. I haven't got my microphone with me. I keep forgetting that, especially when I'm using the 360. I'll stop again and chat. Place is incredible to ride now. 14 miles of trail on your backyard. What's not to love? So just going up the side of a field, footpath obviously, to the next foresty bit. see what it's like. I haven't been up this bit for quite a while. Explore. Oh, the bird's nest right up there, right on the top of oh, probably can't see that. Two big bird's nests right on the top of the tree. Are you going to let me go? You going to let me go, yeah?
No, go, stop it.
So yeah, little route around the second part, or the second bit of forest we have in the local area, which is really cool. and did get attacked by a dog, but the dog just didn't like the sound of the wheel, and some dogs don't. So when you ride, you have to take that into account, that, you know, certainly with dogs, oh, I need to get off this. They react to stuff differently, so you need to kind of slow down and stop where you need to, just to, you know, give them a bit of space, a bit of time. Dog owners were really nice, but like the poor dog apparently had a bike race past him when he was younger, and it's just stuck in his head, so, you know, fair enough. So yeah, got to get out after work on the MTEN4. Haven't ripped this for a while, so it's been really fun to get back out on this. It's quite a decent comparison to the Pint as well, or XRs and stuff like that. Hill climb wise, this has those hands down. So yeah, I love this little thing. Be a shame to see it go if it does have to go, because I've only got room for a certain amount.